High in the mountains of northern Vietnam lies a landscape carved by time, shaped by tradition, and colored by nature. Welcome to Sapa. And discovery of this place was total serendipity. A couple that I was sitting next to in the restaurant while I was having lunch saw my drone and asked me if I'd ever been to the Sapa rice fields. Obviously, hadn't been. They made sure that I saw their footage from where they were down there. And I just had a couple hours before the sunset. They just told me 15-minute bike ride would be perfect. I left, and boy, were they right. I just got there probably an hour before sunset, and these are the views. Welcome to Sapa. And as always, your likes and subs are greatly appreciated. Cheers.